Hey, poor guy with the Blackstone. I'm actually kind of nervous about this video. This is going to be my first video posted on my new Facebook page. Thank you, Tori. Thank you, Don, my support crew. So yeah, check me out on Facebook. This will be the first one, and eventually I'll have all my videos uploaded to that. But anyway, what we're trying today is sliders. I've never done these. I've cooked plenty of burgers, but I've never done sliders. Here's some slider rolls, Pepperidge Farm, got 12. 80-20 meat, 36 ounces, which is 2.25 pounds at Walmart. Okay, so what we've done in the past is we've mixed some of this beefy onion soup mix in there. Just dry, sprinkle it in there, add a little bit of the coldest water you can get, just a little bit to the meatballs, makes them a little bit more juicy. And I found these, and I could kick myself because we bought these at Walmart this morning. Great value, just cheddar cheese, sharp, and these little slices. Because I'm thinking like a big slice is going to be too big for a slider, right? Might be perfect. We go out to a supermarket in Oklahoma City today, and I find my favorite cheese, well, Dawn did, Cabot cheese, and it was like half the price of this.
Bruh.
So anyway, just keep that in mind. These were kind of pricey, but I didn't feel like cutting the cheese, get it? Funny. Alright, so that's what we're going to do, and I'll show you how I'm going to do it when we get outside. I'm going to go fire up the Blackstone. It's Saturday evening. What's the date? Today is the 9th of October, and it's like 90-something degrees. So we're going to cook these fast because it's going to be hot. Word?
Word.
Alright, meet me outside, people. Thank you.
One eternity later.
Whoop! Outside now. Got the Blackstone heated up. Gonna use just a little canola oil. So I'm not sure how these are gonna work. You guys are gonna witness it. Could be an epic failure. All 15 of my watchers. Alright, so this is what we're doing. This is my idea. This is my genius idea. Breakthrough idea. Right?
Breakthrough.
The Blackstone egg ring tray. Made of silicone. We're just going to go ahead and spray the edges. I don't think you need to, but since we've used it, that's what we've been doing. And it works out pretty well. So like I said, that 36 ounces made 12 hamburgers, meatballs, whatever you want to call them. And we just happen to have 12 rolls, actually about 24, but okay, this might be a little bit of a problem. Hold on a second. So I was looking for something to kind of squash them down. I didn't have anything really the right size, so Keelan, if you're watching, I don't know why we have this, but we do. Supposedly Aiden likes them. Alright, so watch me now. So yeah, it looks kind of big right now, but since it's 80-20 meat, this isn't working exactly like I wanted, but since it's 80-20 meat, they're going to shrink down. And I'm thinking they'll shrink down to a good size for sliders. This was my whole idea. See if it works. I don't know. I've failed before. You know, when you fail in life, you learn from it, right? And you're going to watch and see if it actually works. So here we're doing it. Smashing them down. We'll set that there. And we'll go ahead and take that off. Look at that, see? And we'll go ahead and do the other 6. Whoop! Smash it down. So the neat thing with this soup mix is it adds quite a bit of flavor to it. You can actually smell it right now. The beefy onion soup mix comes out really tasty. It adds just a little something to it. I didn't add anything else to it. I probably won't even salt it because it does have quite a bit of salt in it already. Yes, yes, yes. So yeah, anyone that's going to view this video, That's from Oklahoma. It's Saturday, so you won't be able to view it until Sunday. But we're supposed to get some severe weather. So just be aware, be safe, my fellow Oklahomans. I guess it could get real. Just so you're all aware. We're going to let that stay on that one side. You got that for me?
Yeah.
Honey, you're the best. Let's see if it's going to fit. I might have to smush them together a little bit. Alright, Blackstone lid. Now, I've talked about this before. I made this one when I first started out doing these videos. I made one out of a cake pan, upside down, with a couple handles in it.
Okay.
And it worked for a while, but it warped. So, Donna bought me this. And I appreciate it now. Alright, Blackstone is on high right now. I'm actually going to turn it down to low. Because it's pretty heated up. We're going to let that cook for a little bit. So yeah, it's not a real
Hi, Kevin. I'm your biggest fan.
It's not a real typical, well, I guess it's kind of typical for fall here in central Oklahoma. It's hot.
Dip, dip, potato chip.
There's a breeze. It's not humid, so that's good. And I'm not detecting a lot of flies, which is also good. You think these are going to work?
I think so.
Honey. Oh,
You have good top backside over here.
guess we'll see. Look out, Ruffy. You're going to get burnt. Okay. Oh. I know when you cook burgers on this, it's going to be loud. I get it.
It smells really good.
They're cute.
They're very cute.
They're a little bit thicker than we're used to. We usually like our burgers pretty thin. But as you can see,
Hello there.
the 80-20 meat has shrunk up considerably, and it's going to fit perfect on that bun. Let's go ahead and put the cover on that a little. Oh no, sorry about that, little burger. Just slide them over there. Uh-oh, motorcycle, sorta. Brother, he loves to chase the motorcycles. He won't chase anything else, any kind of motor vehicle except for motorcycles. And
Professional.
yeah, he's a professional motorcycle chaser, I suppose. Tori's going to be on a fall break from college next week. Well, for part of the week. What is it, just Wednesday through Thursday?
Yeah.
Big truck. How do? Neighbor, how do? See how friendly I am? You definitely got to subscribe. So go ahead and take a look at my Facebook page. Wow.
And the banner, the new banner.
Yeah, Tori did a lot of work for me, actually. My YouTube channel had a banner, you know, and it used to say Mr. Good Looking is cooking, and really the only reason we did that is because I got an apron from my mother in New York, and she it said Mr. Good Looking is cooking, so that's kind of what we started out with. But I don't want anybody to think I think I'm good looking, because I'm far from it. So we ditched that and just made kind of like what we're all about. I think it says real food for real people. Blackstone, the solution. Real food for real people, because that's what we do. Anyway, let's check it out. Oh. We haven't had this beefy onion soup mix in a while.
I love it.
And it smells divine. Look at these things. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. We got all that juicy juice. I'm going to go ahead and slide them over. See that? And that'll give it a little bit more coating to it. Just moving it around. Because these do let off a lot of moisture, a lot of fat. I want to do a video on my favorite burger. The thing is, nobody else in the house is going to eat it.
Are you talking about?
My bacon blue cheese burger.
NANI?
Oh, so tasty. I'm going to go ahead and turn this off because those are pretty close to being done. Where's my scraper? There it is. Get yourself a little thing like this. Put all your tools in there. Let me get rid of that. I'm going to start the cleaning process while I'm cooking. That's how efficient I am.
Multitask.
That's right. Look at everybody. That's nasty. That's nasty, huh? Here's another trick for you. You got a scraper like this. Your spatula gets all caked up. Get all that nastiness off there. Yeah.
That scraper is really good.
That's very handy indeed. Oh crap. I gotta put cheese on it. Alright, I don't see any red juice coming out of there. We like our burgers well done here. I know they're not quite as juicy when they're well done, but we're okay with that. This is why I bought this. It's very convenient.
And they're cute.
Yeah, look at it. Isn't that cute?
Is that perfect?
Yeah, it's a perfect size. Because you would have got just a regular thing, Sargento or Great Value cheese, and it would have been, not that there's anything wrong with having a lot of cheese on it, but I think it would have been too much, and it would have been a kind of a mess.
That's coming from the cheese connoisseur.
Yeah, I can't get enough cheese. So let's put that lid back on, and look it. This comes in this little plastic container. Seals right back up. It's still got a lot of cheese. And we'll have some sandwiches, because like I said, we actually bought, since I didn't know how any of this was going to work out, I bought 2 things of those rolls, so we'll just buy some cold cuts this week. Just make little mini ham and cheese sandwiches or a little bit of turkey meat. By the way, I can't find any frozen turkey breast anywhere. I wanted to use my smoker because we'll get the boneless frozen turkey breast. We'll throw a couple on the smoker and let that go all day, and oh my goodness, it's heaven. Just wonderful. And I haven't done that in well over a month because I just can't find them anywhere, which is unfortunate. But I'll get over it, I suppose. Thanksgiving is coming, so maybe they'll start showing up again. A little bit more. Alright, we're going to let that cheese melt, and we're going to bring them in the house, and we'll dress one up for you and end the video in there. I just want to say one thing. Hey, can I see this for a second?
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm. What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure?
Oh, look who it is. This is Tori, everybody. Woo! Okay, that's enough of Tori, right? Tori's birthday is Monday. It's a big one for her. 21.
Woo, yeah.
Let's get drinking. Just kidding, she doesn't drink, and she's a good girl. She doesn't do any of that stuff. She's a good girl, and we're very happy to have her as a daughter. But she's going to be 21, and so anybody, the 15 people that actually watch this video, comment. Just say, hey, Tori, happy birthday. Appreciate all the hard work you're doing for your old man.
Thank you.
Anyway, all right. Let's take a look. That looks good. All right, we're going to bring them in the house. We'll dress a couple up, show you what they look like, and tell you what we think of them. All right, peace out. There you have it. My first sliders. You got to witness it. So I want to say that Blackstone egg tray, that worked pretty good. And I guess the whole thing with that is I wanted to try it and get consistent sizes and a consistent, smash on it. The 80-20 meat and the egg ring looked like it was going to be too big. It came down the exact right size. That little hunk of cheese, perfect. I think it's good. I haven't eaten it yet, but I know it's going to be good.
You left your mic over there.
Well, I think they could probably hear me.
Yeah, maybe.
I forgot. I took my mic off already. We typically don't edit out
Yeah.
bloopers. So
We'll just see how it goes.
we'll see how it goes.
Add subtitles right here, if anything.
Perfect. And that's our little tray of burgers. They look real tasty. They smell really good. Don got a phone call, so we're going to cover these up and wait a little while before we eat. But yeah, check me out. YouTube, Facebook.
Whoop, whoop.
Things are going to happen. Good things.
We're gonna go far.
Thanks for watching. Peace out. All Oklahomans, be careful tomorrow. Could be serious. Love y'all.